Hi there, I'm Christine, and today I want to announce a special project that we've been working on for a few months at the Canadian Constitution Foundation. This is a project that we've worked on with some of Canada's leading legal practitioners and academics, and which is going to directly benefit you. And I really can't wait to tell you all about it. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Christine, and I'm the Litigation Director for the Canadian Constitution Foundation, a legal charity that fights for fundamental freedoms in Canada. I upload regular videos about our ongoing cases and projects, so if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, please hit like and subscribe below. It really helps my videos out a lot. And please remember that my videos are not legal advice. If you have your own legal question or problem, please consult your own lawyer. So for the past few months, we've obviously been working on a huge variety of civil liberties and fundamental freedoms cases, whether it's our challenge to the federal government's invocation of the Emergencies Act, our challenge to the British Columbia vaccine passport program for failing to create medical exemptions, or some of our other ongoing work on freedom of expression. And as you can see, we are really living in some pretty unprecedented times where government is really taking a lot of new powers almost every day. And in order to defend our constitutional rights, it's imperative that we really understand them. I get emails and questions every day from Canadians who are trying to understand our Constitution and their fundamental rights. But as I've said, I don't give legal advice. If you have your own question or problem, you need to consult your own lawyer. But what I can do is help people to better understand our Constitution. Public education is a core part of our mandate at the Canadian Constitution Foundation, so that leads me into this new project that we're announcing today. At the CCF, we have created a new online course about fundamental freedoms and Canada's Constitution, and I'm even more thrilled to tell you that this course is going to be available completely free. You can access it at theccf.ca/learn. This course is taught by some of Canada's leading constitutional scholars and lawyers, people like Jeffrey Cowper, the lawyer who's representing the CCF in our healthcare choice case in British Columbia, who's in the trenches fighting for our right to security of person against outrageously long healthcare wait times. You'll hear from lawyer Asher Honigman, who has represented the CCF in cases dealing with arbitrary lockdown fines. And you'll learn about Section 1 of the Charter from Professor Ryan Alford, who's a professor at the Bor-Alaskan School of Law. He works in academia with a rare and precious perspective of liberty. We have lectures on unreasonable search and seizure, an issue that's imperative for Canadians to understand, especially in the context of the Emergencies Act measures that allow banks to report private banking information to police, which under Section 8 of the Charter constitutes a search. We have lectures on the division of powers, on the right to be free from cruel and unusual punishment, the rights on arrest and detention, and the right to freedom of expression, assembly, and religion. These lectures are taught by some of Canada's greatest legal minds, and you're going to get to hear directly from them as they walk you through all of these fundamental freedoms and how Canada's Constitution works, using language that's accessible to non-lawyers. You can sign up for free at theccf.ca/learn, and the course is broken into video lectures followed by quizzes on the material. Once you've completed your course, you'll be sent a personalized certificate that you can print or post on social media. I hope that you enjoy this free course, and if you have feedback about it, please let me know. As I've said, it's so important during times like these that Canadians understand their fundamental rights and our Constitution so we can better protect against government overreach. And thank you so much to our donors who made this special project possible. If you want to contribute to projects like this or some of our cutting edge litigation, you can sign up to make a contribution at theccf.ca/donate. And of course, you can always sign up as well for our mailing list so you never miss an update at theccf.ca/freedom updates. Okay, that's all for this update. Thanks for tuning in, and let's keep fighting for freedom in Canada.